Deep inside Vietnam's tropical rainforest, the hunt for tonight's dinner is about to begin. It's pitch black in the Vietnamese rainforest. My team and I are heading deep into the jungle. Our mission tonight? Hunting mountain crabs in the rocky streams. We need a good catch to upgrade our breakfast tomorrow morning. The jungle floor is completely alive after dark. Look at this. We just spotted a tiny tree frog resting by the water. We have to navigate carefully through the thick bamboo and vines. Watch your step here. Massive spiders are out hunting too. We are tracking the stream banks now, looking for any movement. The terrain is slippery and the water is getting colder. Here we go. Got our very first mountain crab of the night. They are fast, so you have to grab them quickly.
Như vậy là hết đôi 20 con là có chuyện đấy.
Let's check under these heavy river stones. Got another one! You have to reach in with bare hands to extract them. Every crab goes straight into this green mesh bag to keep them secure. We are digging through the muddy banks and wet leaves now. Sometimes they burrow deep into the mud to hide from predators. Wading deeper into the current. The water here is crystal clear. Look at the claws on this guy. A perfect specimen. We found another one trying to blend in with the rocky bottom. Our headlamps are the only light source we have out here. We are catching them steadily now. The mesh bag is getting heavy. It takes the whole team to spot and trap them in the fast-moving water. These mountain crabs are relatively small, but their meat is incredibly sweet. Another solid catch. They will make the absolute best jungle broth. Moving heavy boulders takes effort, but it's where the biggest crabs hide. The physical work is intense, but the continuous payoff is worth it. All right, the hunt is over. Let's see exactly what we got. Emptying the bag back at camp. Look at this massive yield. We are definitely eating well tomorrow morning. Hit that follow button to join us on our next jungle adventure.